Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've posted videos. That's because I had few other priorities at that moment. But now that I'm back, I'll try to keep posting more frequent. So let's get started. Today we are going to make capsicum halwa. Yes, you heard it right. It's capsicum halwa. When I heard this for the first time, I was like,
Capsicum halwa? Ew, capsicum का हलवा कौन बनाता है?
but after trying it, I was pretty impressed. So to make capsicum halwa here, I took 2 big capsicum, cut and removed their seeds, slightly scratched the upper layer to remove the bitterness. Let it steam for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, blend the capsicum with some water. Now in a pan, add 2 tablespoons ghee. Once ghee melts, pour in the mixture. Let it cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. Add 1 cup of sugar and stir until it melts. You can add sugar as per your preference. Cook on medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes or until the raw smell of capsicum is gone. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cream and stir well. You can add more 1 to 2 tablespoons to enhance taste. And let it cook for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make corn flour slurry. Add 1 tablespoon corn flour along with 2 to 3 tablespoon water and mix well. Add in the slurry and stir continuously. Keep stirring for 5 to 10 minutes. Add dry fruits of your choice. Once halwa thickens and color has darkened, you can turn off the flame. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at cookbakehajira. We will meet in the next video. Bye.